Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to become an Uber Eats driver in 2025. First, you're all gonna do is to go on to the Deliver Uber official website. And we can see here, to be a delivery driver using Uber, you must first, delivering with Uber Eats is a greater alternative to traditional part-time delivery driver jobs or other part of time employment. They have get paid to deliver. First is your vehicle, your time. Get paid quickly, and you can track your earnings. Now here are the steps on how food delivery driving works. First is already a driver on Uber platform. You can start receiving delivery requests by going to the driver app menu and then select account, work hub, deliver food with the Uber Eats, and once you review and accept the delivery terms, you'll be ready to deliver. You can turn delivery requests on and off as you wish. First is the login. When you're ready to start being a delivery driver, you can go online into the driver app. The app will show available food deliveries requests near you. You can tap to accept. You can deliver orders, earn money, and here's what you need to become a delivery driver users. If you have a car, you can choose deliver by a car and be at least 19 years old and have a 2 to 4 door car, have a valid driver's license into your name, and submit your SSS for the background screening. If you have a scooter, just choose delivery by scooter. The requirements is be at least 19 years old, have a motorized scooter under 50cc, and have a valid driver's license into your name, and also submit your SSS for the background screening. And then when you're signing up, be sure to choose delivery by scooter under transportation method. And if you have a delivery by bicycle or on foot, be at least 18 years old and have a government issued ID. And then also submit your SSN for the background screening. And when signing up, be sure to choose delivery by bicycle and in certain cities, deliver by bicycle or foot under transportation method. You can just simply download the driver app going on to the Play Store or to your iOS App Store, and you can download directly the application. And here are the top cities in the US to get paid to deliver in Uber. They'll show you the specific states and the city. All you're gonna do is to scan directly on to their QR code and you can download the application. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.